Samsung Galaxy Watch. Now this is the 46mm version. I've already had the 42, which you can check out the video. I'll put the link in below. So it should say extremely long battery life on this. Otherwise everything else is pretty the same. There you go, 46mm Bluetooth. And this is quite a nice looking design. Little bit of chromey silver, still the rubber touch buttons there, which feel really nice. Your swivel dial, a bit more robust looking, and the black strap is looking rather nice. The nice layout of the sensors underneath. Doesn't seem to be a bit any plastic on that protecting it, but there is here a little bit of plastic there to peel off, which you know, there's probably a few of them. So it's all pretty nice. Any power in it, I wonder? I think it's the button below. Yeah. Now in the box you're going to have your charger and your cables, some paperwork. So you've got the little plug in the wall charger there. You connect it to the wireless charging here. This is bigger than the one I had with my S2. Quite a lot bigger actually. It's got a little indent there, little feature. But I am waiting for the Duo. Because I pre-ordered, I should be getting the Duo. So it's ready to connect to my phone, which is really simple. You've also got a spare, little bit of a spare strap in there. It feels pretty thick. This is definitely, I'm sure this is thicker and everything than the 42mm version I had. Definitely seems better. Okay, I've enabled the Bluetooth and then came up with a list. I selected the watch, which if you see here it does say the 1E7F. So I basically connected to that, and now it says pairing to connect. So here we go, finally let's pair. So I'll click OK there and then OK on the phone. I have noticed on the previous, when I used the other phone, it didn't keep my old watch faces, so I basically just had to find them again. Maybe there's a compatibility thing. It's not a major problem. So it's finished pairing. It's very easy. Once you connect via Bluetooth, that's it. And then I know that when it's installed, it's, oh yeah, here we, when it's installed, it then gave me a little tutorial. Well, I'm not going to agree to all, I never do. I think I need an end user, and I think Find My Watch and Phone would be useful. Mapping technologies, yeah, that's up to you. But I've got maps on my phone, so I'm sure it'll work with that. No backups found. There we go, you see. I'm all set. How quick was that? So here we go. We've got battery 91%. So this phone has come 91% charged. It's got 1.5 GB free. So it's got a total of 4 GB storage. And the RAM, I think the RAM looks the same as before. See, now it's sort of going through this tutorial, backwards, forwards, turn again, notifications will appear, yeah. If you've had one of these phones before, you know all this, and at the end of the day, it's very straightforward, you know, and it's customizable. You just hold your finger down on the screen, swipe the screen here, almost there. I don't know where it wants me to swipe down, not swipe down, so yeah. Cover with your palm of your hand. Well, I can't, it's a bit half me to do that. So there's various functions and ways of operating. That's not a bad face. That does look pretty cool. And you just hold the butt on your finger down on the middle, and then you can choose different faces. And these are all pretty similar to what they used to come with before. I think I may have had that for a while. This is the kind of one I like. Anyway, I hope that's helped, and if anyone needs to look at the product, it's nice, it's chunky, that's the word. Yeah, it's nice. Speaker there and mic. If you've got any problems with your watch, having difficulties, let me know. So I've launched the app and it's just done an update, and also this Barometer. That's, I believe, new. Don't recall seeing that before.